Have you ever seen a tiny crochet dress that instantly makes you smile? If you love handmade fashion for little girls, you're in the right place. Today we're showcasing a beautiful collection of crochet baby frock ideas and adorable baby girl dress designs for babies and toddlers from 0 to 3 years old. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next crochet project or searching for a special design for your little one, stay with us until the end because each dress is more beautiful than the last. Crochet baby dresses are more than just clothing. They are handmade treasures created with love, patience, and creativity. Every stitch tells a story, making each dress unique and special. From soft pastel colors to bright and cheerful shades, these designs are perfect for birthdays, family gatherings, baby showers, photo sessions, or simply making everyday moments even more memorable. As you watch, notice the variety of styles. Some dresses feature elegant lace patterns, while others have lovely floral details, cute bows, delicate ruffles, and beautiful textured stitches. There are classic round neck designs, stylish sleeveless dresses, and charming puff sleeve styles that look both comfortable and fashionable. One of the best things about crochet baby dresses is how customizable they are. You can easily change the colors, add matching headbands, tiny flowers, decorative buttons, or ribbons to create a completely unique outfit. Whether you prefer a simple and elegant design or something colorful and playful, Crochet offers endless possibilities. These beautiful dresses are designed for babies and toddlers between 0 and 3 years old, making them perfect gifts for newborns, first birthdays, christenings, holidays, and other special occasions. Handmade gifts are always appreciated because they carry a personal touch that cannot be found in store-bought clothing. Which design has been your favorite so far? Is it the elegant lace dress, the colorful floral design, or the adorable ruffled frock? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which style inspired you the most. If you're enjoying this collection, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet inspiration. We regularly share beautiful crochet ideas for baby dresses, stylish tops, cardigans, blankets, accessories, home decor, and many more creative handmade projects to inspire your next masterpiece. Keep watching because there are still more beautiful crochet baby dresses coming up. You might just discover the perfect design for your next project or find an idea that inspires your own unique creation. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate your support. If this collection gave you new ideas or inspired your creativity, be sure to share this video with your friends and fellow crochet enthusiasts. Until next time, stay creative, keep crocheting, and we'll see you in the next video.